Hello students, let us continue with chapter 9 of your textbooks. Exercise 9.3, question number 8. It's been given that for my triangle ABC, XY is parallel to BC. I have BE parallel to AC and CF parallel to AB. And I have points E, X, Y and F lying on the same line segment EF or FE. I need to prove that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACF. So let us see the two triangles. I have ABE out here and ACF out here. So these two triangles out here, we need to prove that the areas are equal. So how do we do that? First of all, if you take a look at just this portion, that is AC, B and E. Let's draw this portion. I have A, E, B, C and Y. If you notice that we've been given that, first of all this point is X out here. Yeah, it's been given that XY is parallel to BC, right? Therefore, I can say that EY is parallel to BC. Why? Because E, X and Y lie on the same line segment and XY is parallel to BC. And also I have been given that BE is parallel to AC. That means BE is also parallel to YC. Why? Because Y lies on the line segment AC. Therefore, these two lines are also parallel to each other. Therefore, what do I get? That quadrilateral EYCB is a parallelogram because the pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, now if you notice this parallelogram out here and this triangle out here, that is triangle AEB and parallelogram EYCB, they share the same base BE and they lie between the common parallels BE and AC. Therefore, what can I say? That area of triangle AEB is half area of this parallelogram EYCB. Similarly, we will show that area of this triangle AFC is half area of your parallelogram XFCB. So, how will you prove that this is a parallelogram XFCB? See, you have XY parallel to BC, therefore XF is parallel to BC and it's been given that, see, BE is parallel to CF. One second. BE is parallel to AC. CF is parallel to AB. So, obviously XB is parallel to FC. Therefore, this is a parallelogram. Now, area of this triangle is half area of this parallelogram. So, now which two parallelograms did we get? We got this parallelogram and this parallelogram. They are sharing the common base BC and they lie between the common parallels EF and BC. Therefore, the two parallelograms are equal. Therefore, half of this parallelogram is equal to half of this parallelogram. So, what are the halves of these parallelograms? It is these triangles. So, we will prove that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACF. Now, let us go ahead and write the proof. So, I will say proof. So, let us go ahead and first show that area of triangle ABE is half area of parallelogram EYCB. So, first how do we do that? I will say XY is parallel to BC. This is given. Therefore, I have EY parallel to BC. Why? Because I have X lie between E is on the line segment of XY, right? XY extended to give you E. And also I have, see, BE is parallel to AC. BE is parallel to AC, which implies that BE is parallel to YC, right? Since Y lies between A and C, right? So, 1 and 2. What do you get from 1 and 2? That quadrilateral EYCB is a parallelogram. Therefore, quadrilateral EYCB is a parallelogram. I will say from 1 and 2. right? Similarly, we can prove, let's mark this as 3. Similarly, we can prove that quadrilateral XFCB is a parallelogram. Let's mark this as 4, right? Now, these two parallelograms are equal to each other. The areas of these two parallelograms are equal because they lie on the same base BC and common parallels EF. Parallelogram EYCB and parallelogram XFCB lie on common base BC and common parallel EF and BC, right? Therefore, what can I say? Area of EYCB is equal to area of XFCB. Let's mark this as 5. Okay. So now, before erasing this, let's just prove that area of triangle ABE is half area of this parallelogram EYCB. Now, triangle ABE and parallelogram EYCB lie on common base so which is your common base? BE, right? And common parallels. What are my common parallels? BE and AC. Therefore, I have area of triangle ABE is equal to half area of EYCB. Let's mark this as 6. And let's erase this section. And similarly, I will say, similarly, area of triangle. So now which triangle do we need? We need ACF. AC and F. ACF is equal to half area of which parallelogram? The other parallelogram. XFCB. So, your reason will be for common base. What is your common base? FC and common parallels FC and AB. Let's mark this as 7. So what do you get from 5, 6 and 7? See, the right hand sides of 6 and 7 are equal in 5. Therefore, obviously, the left hand sides are going to be equal. So, I'll say that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACF from 5, 6 and 7. Because equals that are equal to the same thing are equal to each other, right? Therefore, we have proved what was required, that is area of triangle ABE, these triangles outside are equal to each other. Area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACF. So, this was about question number 8. Please take a look. Let's continue with the remaining exercise in the next videos. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.